Okay.
I love our story. It's amazing, and I want to bless other people with it too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
3 dryer balls each became 6.
I'm so excited to talk about Norwex with my good friend.
We live Norwex.
Cleaning with only water, who does that?
And when you brought out that chicken, I mean, you definitely changed my life.
Just imagine if you cleaning the floor with chemicals and your kids have been like crawling, lying down on the floor. That's not good. That's not good.
Really the only place you'd hear someone say, I love my toilet brush so much. I love it. I love it. You've got to get one.
My story really started out as an absolute love for the products. But then when the cancer diagnosis came, it was a secondary, very deep appreciation for products that weren't putting my health at risk.
We need to raise money for an electric wheelchair, and my Norwex community came together and we were able to get the wheelchair for her so that she is able to go around our community together.
I live Norwex, so I can spend more time at home with my family.
I don't have to worry about what they're touching. I don't have to worry about what they're getting into, like what might be under my sink hiding, or they can help me, and it actually helps. Like what they're doing actually is cleaning. I don't have to go clean up after them too.
Yeah.
Like I had people hugging me at conference last year, and the amount of support that I got from my Norwex family has just been amazing.
I think I really started to appreciate the flexibility in my schedule, and I was able to spend time with you.
Yeah, you're a go-go girl.
This story wouldn't have been the same without Norwex and without our Norwex family.
It's good to be in the Norwex family, to be able to save time, save money, create less waste, and just have a safer home and environment to live in.
Je dis Norwex parce que la mission et les valeurs de la compagnie me parlent.
We're showing people how they can change their lifestyle, the environment, their home, their health, all while making it faster and easier for them.
Jeg har opplevd ganske mye spennende, og alle turene vi har vært på.
I have to pinch myself sometimes thinking of how this is even possible, to be able to work from home, be flexible, be with our family, and I get to work with my best friend every day. It's just the best thing ever.
So much fun, yeah.
So it's like Debbie says all the time, she says we don't just do business together, we do life together.
Norwex это вот эта вот перчатка.
I live Norwex because of my family.
It makes my life easier. Thank you, Norwex.
I live Norwex.
I live Norwex.
I live Norwex.
You'll be more Norwex?
I leave Norwex because it's fun, easy.
Because it revived my passion and my purpose.
To be the best version of myself.
I live Norwex because it makes life so much less stressful.
I live Norwex.
I live Norwex.
I live Norwex.
I live Norwex.
I live Norwex because of the work-life balance it gives me.